Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Explorer i4 versus V6. We'll dive into the core differences between these two popular engine options, helping you understand which one best suits your driving style and needs. We'll cover everything from horsepower and torque to fuel economy and towing capabilities, ensuring you have all the information to make an informed choice for your next SUV. The i4 engine, often a turbocharged 2.3-liter, is designed for efficiency without sacrificing capability. It delivers a strong 300 horsepower, making it perfectly adequate for most daily commutes and highway cruising. You'll appreciate its respectable fuel economy, often achieving around 24 miles per gallon combined, and a smooth, refined driving experience that feels nimble and responsive. Moving to the V6 engine, you're looking at a significant boost in power, with some versions offering up to 400 horsepower. This engine is the go-to choice if you frequently tow, easily handling up to 5,600 pounds, or if you simply crave more aggressive acceleration. While fuel economy is slightly lower, the added muscle provides a confident and commanding presence on the road, especially when fully loaded. Ultimately, your choice between the i4 and V6 Explorer depends on your priorities. If fuel efficiency and a balanced ride for everyday use are key, the i4 is an excellent option. However, if you need maximum towing capacity, superior acceleration, and robust power for demanding tasks, the V6 is clearly the winner. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.